People, how are we today? Today, I would like to do a little lesson on geometry kind of stuff, angles and drawing angles, and using a protractor possibly, and these sorts of things. And so, welcome to my little lair of geometry. This, friends, is called a protractor. We use it to measure angels. And
Hey,
we decide if some angels are
No, it's
really
not.
good.
No,
Not angels.
Angels. It's
Why not
angles. It's different. Spelled differently, different things.
Angles.
Angels.
Angles.
Angles. Geometry. Angles.
So we use a protractor to measure angles. Protractors are kind of handy little tools. We can use them to draw straight lines like so. You're not going to probably be able to see that very well, but and then what we do is we use a protractor to then decide on how many degrees on an angle. Now, if an angle is exactly 90 degrees, like a corner of a rectangle, such as this or this piece of paper, that is called a right angle. It's 90 degrees. Anything less than 90 degrees, a smaller angle, would be an acute angle. It's acute. Greater than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. A straight line, interestingly, is kind of considered an angle in that around any point in space, that's 180 degrees. And so a protractor, this type anyway, measures an angle on 180 degrees. But if you kind of think of it this way, if you do this, it's a full circle. I keep getting my paper kind of, see what I mean? So it's 180 degrees in half a circle, and then add another 180 degrees on the bottom side, and you get a smiley face. You get a 360 degrees total. Now, I had mentioned possibly in life that I like to ride a board. I like to ride a snowboard. I like to ride a wakeboard. I like to ride a surfboard. I like to ride a skateboard and a ripstick. And so all of these kind of board sports we see out there, if you watch the Olympics, when you watch the Olympics, you got to watch the Olympics, Winter Olympics, Summer Olympics too, but you'll see a lot of geometry terminology in the sports of those tricks. So a girl leaves the half pipe out on her snowboard and she spins one whole turn. How many degrees would she have spun? Think about it. It's a circle. Okay, 360 degrees. If she spins twice, it's two 360s, 720. If she spins two and a half, that would be 360 plus 360, 720 plus another 180 is a 900. So when you hear those terminologies, it's actually geometry at work in extreme sports. It's so cool. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little lesson on geometry here from the Lair, the mathematics Lair here in Mr. Pembroke's room. Check. Be ready. Be ready.